Hi, everybody. Welcome back for the last segment of our weekly lecture. And I would be remiss in any discussion of materials and specification for an interior design project if we didn't talk about sustainability. So in this video, let's talk about environmental sustainability and move into the LEED program. As a kitchen and bath designer, you not only need to create a functional and beautiful kitchen or bath for your clients, but you also need to keep sustainability in mind. As a designer, you need to recognize your unique position as a steward of the resources of our planet. So, how can you specifically, as a kitchen and bath designer, help? There's three major ways. One is energy conservation, which is mainly associated with the appliances that we choose. One is water conservation, again, mainly associated with the fixtures that we select. And the third portion, which is what we're going to focus in on today, is your materials selections. As you make the material selections for your projects, you will follow certain criteria. You need to research and select your materials based on their appearance, on their appropriate use. Are they durable? How much maintenance do they need? You'll select by cost or budget. You'll select by availability. Is that product actually available right now? And let's throw this into the mix. You need to select your products based on sustainability. And as you follow these criteria, you will build up a palette of materials for your projects. And here's an example of one for you. It is a specifically selected to be a green materials palette for a kitchen remodel. So first we have the wood for our cabinets, which is FSC or Forest Stewardship Council, excuse me, can't even say it, certified right here. The countertops, where are the countertops? Here they are an Eco brand by Cosentino. They have recycled content. That's probably that recycled glass that we talked about earlier. The flooring right here is a natural product. Linoleum is actually a pressed natural product, marmoleum. And the paint right here is chosen because it's a low VOC product. And finally, the tile is a locally sourced product. So you can see that there are many different realms in which your products can be sustainable. Let's move on and talk about LEED. LEED is an acronym that stands for Leadership in Energy and Design, and it is a rating system for the design, construction, operation and maintenance of buildings, specifically green buildings. LEED version 4 is the current rating system. And under the LEED version 4 rating system, there are 5 different project types because some of the criteria for a particular project type might not be appropriate for another type. Those 5 are building design and construction, interior design and construction, operations and maintenance, homes, and neighborhood development. In our focus here on kitchen and bath design, any project that you would like to get LEED rated would probably fit under the homes category. And under this LEED version 4 rating system, your project can get one of 4 levels of certification. They could be certified, silver, gold, and platinum. The rating system has a number of points that each project can earn, and how many points they earn determines that level of certification. The other side of the LEED program is LEED credentials. So the certification was for individual projects. The credentials are for the professional designers, etc. And there's three tiers of LEED credentials. The lowest or first tier is right here, the LEED Green Associate. I personally have a LEED Green Associate credential. The next one is the LEED AP designation, and you would get that in a particular specialty in one of those five rating systems. And the final highest level of certification is a LEED Fellow. Why are we talking about LEED here in our week about kitchen and bath materials? And that's because LEED has certain credit categories. Every one of those rating systems for the projects that we talked about has a combination of credit categories. And those are listed here. One of them is called materials and resources. And so all of the discussion that we just had about the criteria with which you would like to choose your products in your kitchen and bath projects would fall under this materials and resources category. In today's world, as responsible designers, we cannot ignore our responsibility for environmental sustainability. So I hope that in this little lecture here, we've touched on some of the important points and opened up ideas in your mind on how you can select your materials for sustainability. Thanks, everyone.